Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable system haptics on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So this is my iPhone device, so let us start. So first of all you have to open your settings app. So just find your settings app on your iPhone and then tap on it to open it. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened. And also guys, let me show you first that I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone device. So let me tap on this general and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 14.0.1 installed on this iPhone XR. So let me go back. Let me go back again. Okay. So in order to enable or disable system haptics on iPhone, what you need to do, you have to open your settings app, and after that you have to tap on this sounds and haptics. So let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opened, and after that you have to scroll down at the very bottom of this screen, and you can see here we have this system haptics, play haptics for system controls and interactions. You can see currently I have this toggle disabled. So in order to enable system haptics, what you need to do, you have to tap on this toggle and move this slider to the right. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. And whenever you want to disable this system haptics, open this sounds and haptics screen, come to this option system haptics, and you have to tap on this toggle and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now disabled, but I want to enable that. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now enabled. After that you can close your settings app. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily enable or disable system haptics on iPhone running iOS version 14.0.1. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.